Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Paul Chamberlain, the Air Force guy, RV Extraordinaire, coming to you today to talk to you about a Keystone residence. This is a trailer. It's a park model style trailer, and it's pretty spacious. For those of you looking to put one at a permanent spot, or seasonal site, whether it be at the beach, whether it be at a local campground, this may be just the thing you've been looking for. So let's get on to this. So when you're looking at the outside, first thing you're going to notice looking at the front is how big these windows are. You've got 3 large windows across the front, and notice how deeply tinted the windows are. Now on the front you also have the tongue. The overall length on this trailer is 40 foot 8 inches. However, you can remove this the tongue here, so that would reduce it by a couple feet. For those of you that are looking to put something in, it can't be longer than 40 feet. You can remove that the tongue up there. Most of the time when people are doing that, those LP bottles that are in the front, not going to be a big deal. Battery in the front's not going to be a big deal. You're going to be able to. Most people that are putting this at a permanent or seasonal site are bringing in an LP bottle from a local supplier. So you're having a larger bottle, and it just makes it a little bit easier for you. So that's on the front. On the off-door side, you're going to notice it has 2 slides sliding out that way. You're going to have a kitchen slide and a bedroom slide. A little access to storage that'll be up underneath the bed. On the back side, you're going to notice you're going to have an outside shower. Kind of gives you access so you can clean up. Nice thing being on the back side is that you're not you're away from the traffic on the other side. Typically, you'll have somebody on the back side of or on the off-door side, but that just makes it a little bit more convenient. Now, on the door side, what you're going to be able to see, this is looking from the rear. You're going to be able to see you have an access door into the bedroom, and then of course you have sliding glass doors to go into the living area, which is the kitchen area in this one. The model number of this one is a 40 MKTS, meaning mid-kitchen triple slide. Also on the door side, you're going to have steps for both doors, large grab handles, but also you're going to have the outside stereo speakers. So let's get on the inside and let's take a look around. So as you come in through the sliding glass door, and if you look to the front of the trailer, this is what you'll be looking at. Nice tall ceilings and so forth. But right here, as you come in on the left-hand side, that's where you're going to be controlling your air conditioner, also your slide outs, your awning, lights, water heater, water pump, as well as your ceiling fan. It's 110, so it will not operate. It's hooked up to 12-volt power. So let's take a look inside here. We're going to start looking at the kitchen table. Now this particular one, you have the freestanding dinette table with chairs, and you can see that it has an extension on it. You can also see that you have the theater seating here. Nice thing, the recliners, and those things are directly across from the TV. Fireplace stereo system, which makes it very nice. And then of course across the back, you can see you have this is going to be the trifold sofa bed that pulls out. Nice little end tables on either side of that with 110 power outlets. Looking also, let me go back to what you're going to be looking at. The nice thing, the way this is set up, is that your dinettes, your theater seating and the dinette, they're on your door side, which is your camping side. And look at all the windows you have looking at your camping side, which makes it quite nice. And then of course you have the ones going out the front. Now on your off-door side, this is where they put the kitchen slide. Nice thing with that is now you're not looking over at your neighbors, watching what they're doing and so forth. So as I mentioned, of course, you have this nice large TV, AM/FM CD stereo with a DVD player. And by the way, I will have all the specifications as well as the pricing listed down below the video. You can see, of course, you have your electric fireplace, so that will actually throw off some heat for you. Nice pantry. Nice thing with this pantry also, ladies and gentlemen, is the fact that when you open it, it has a sensor light in there, as you can see, and you can actually see what you're getting into here. Look at how deep it is. Quite nice. And notice how they've offset the shelves a little bit. So that way there, if you wanted to put a broom or a mop or something in there, you're able to do that. Nice counter space next to your cooktop there. Nice and flush mounted, so that way there, if you're not using it, makes it easier when you're getting things out of your microwave. Gives you a place to sit it there. Also notice how you're going to have, you have your little filtered water here, as well as this is a 70-30 sink. So it's going to be a nice good size, so a vegetable sink and a nice big sink. Nice high-rise faucet. You're also going to have nice storage back behind your island there. Nice good size residential refrigerator freezer that you're able to have here, and this will, of course, will have the ice maker for you. So this is your refrigerator freezer, as you can see. Up above the refrigerator, you'll have a little bit of storage. Same thing on this side. Nice little wine rack. 110 outlet is down close enough to the counter so you can plug in your coffee maker, toaster oven, things of that nature. You have a central vac system already on here. Nice drawers. Also, nice sliding glass door right there. And then, of course, your breakers and fuses are very accessible right out here in the hallway. So then down the hallway, this is where you're going to be going into the bathroom as well as the bedroom. Let's go take a look at the bathroom. So as you come back the hallway, so you're going into the bathroom, good space in front of the toilet. Of course, you're going to have your nice sink, good size sink on that as well. Medicine cabinet, your outlet. Notice how this has a window above the shower. Nice thing with that is that you have this power vent fan. You turn that on, it's going to pull the air right through that window. Now, I know some of you are probably saying, well, Paul, how the heck do I turn that fan on and open it up? Well, what you can see right now, it's on a setting there. You do have a manual way to open it, but you also have right over here for you to turn the fan on, as well as to raise or lower the lid. And then, of course, you have the nice good-sized corner shower there. And, of course, that is a specially imported Italian tile that you see around that shower. You'll have to check that out when you stop in to take a look at it. And take a look at, of course, your storage inside the bathroom. Nice tall cabinets. You can even store some things up on top there. So let's take a look at the bedroom. So as you walk through the bathroom, you can get into the bedroom, or down the hallway you can get into the bedroom. Now you're going to have a separate air conditioner back here in the bedroom. Benefit there is that you have a warm air return in the bedroom, as well as cooling power. Nice king size walk around bed. This screen door is what's going to go for the sliding glass door, so that will not be staying on the bed. You see you have a dresser drawer, nice window. Of course you have the door there. You have a window on the by the window there as well, by the end of the bed. See lights for reading. You have a nice little shelf to place things above it. Then of course you're going to have your closet. Nice thing with that closet is this light, when you turn on your bedroom lights, this light will come on in here. And so nice, kind of like a walk-in closet. And then right next to this is where, if you decided you wanted to put a washer and dryer, you could do that. Now notice how they went ahead and bumped it up so you're not having to get down on your hands and knees to get into the wash machine. And then of course the dryer would go on top and be vented to the outside. And then you still could have some storage up above that if necessary. So they've done a nice job with that. Of course you're going to have outlets on either side of the bed. Just going to pan from this direction, give you an idea of what you're looking at. Of course, your TV mount and everything's on this side over here. Make that a swing type thing. Now let me show you the storage up underneath the bed. So the bed, you can just lift this bed up and you've got some really good storage up underneath it. and that is accessible from the outside. Nice thing with that, see how, I mean, that's a lot of room. It's about 6 feet of storage there, lengthwise, just about. So let's go take a look at the front coming through the bedroom. So as you come through here, now one thing I did not mention is the height in here, and what you're looking at, this is an 8-foot ceiling height, and then the slide out you have 81 inches in height. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. This is the brand new Residence by Keystone. So for those of you that are in the market for an RV, by all means, do remember to reach out to Paul Chamberlain, the Air Force guy, the RV Extraordinaire, for all your RV needs, whether they're new or pre-owned. I can help you with that. All my information is down below. I appreciate you watching. If there's something in particular you'd like to see, more than happy to try and cover something for you. I do product recommendations, how-to videos, as well as product reviews. So also check out my vlogs on Sundays, where I have started with giveaways, and about twice a month I'm going to have giveaways for my subscribers. Again, I appreciate you watching, and reach out to me if you have any questions. Have a great day.